Introducing a new mobile salon investment opportunity.
Hey, the Mobile Salon bus I ordered is here.
That's right, mobile salons are here. You can now invest or franchise your very own mobile barbershop or beauty salon.
Come on, let's check it out. Hi, I'm Loma. I'm owner and head accountant of Business and Money Management. Here's the big news. We are now partnered with the Mobile Salon Network. What the Mobile Salon Network does is they take shuttle buses and they convert them into mobile barbershops and beauty salons. For the first time ever, the Mobile Salon Network is offering the ability to invest in their mobile barbershops and beauty salons. You're now able to invest in a recession-proof, 100% guaranteed business because everybody has hair and they're mobile. Imagine not having to drive to your barber or beauty salon, but instead having the mobile barbershop or beauty salon come to you. Using their Uber-like app, customers will be able to schedule mobile salons to come out to their homes, their churches, schools, workplaces, and more. Now, for a limited time only and for a limited number of people, the Mobile Salon Network is accepting investments in the following formats. There are 3 types of investment opportunities available for your minimum $100,000 investment. Number 1, the simple flip. That's taking your $100,000 and turning it into $200,000 in 1 year. Number 2, the 12% return on investment. That's 1% of $100,000 paid out every month, every year. Yep, that's totaling 12% a year, way more than you're going to get at a bank. Number 3, and new, are franchise opportunities. With this one, you're going to be buying into a $100,000 mobile salon franchise. You'll make 20% off the income of whatever that bus makes. All of these opportunities come with a 100% money-back guarantee and is backed by a multi-million-dollar mobile salon company and their product line. There are no products or services for you to manage because they are all managed and ran by the company. All you need to do is check in online on how much money your investment is making. Your returns are deposited into your bank account monthly or in one lump sum at the end of the year if you opted for the doubling your money in 12 months. Think about it. You're now able to invest in the mobile salons, one of the fastest growing, most profitable business ventures in the industry. As of the making of this video, and depending on who all is signed up already, you don't have a lot of time. Call this number, 1-800-406-7711, or go online to mobilesalonnetwork.com to get more information. But don't take long because this investment opportunity won't last long. I'm Loma with Business and Money Management and the Mobile Salon Network. I'd like to thank you for your time and we'll see you at the top.